Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. My name's Racquel Henry, the founder here at Writers Atelier, and I'm going to give you all a pep talk in a 1-minute video. So I reminded everybody that all motivational minutes for the month of November are going to be pretty much about National Novel Writing Month, aka NaNoWriMo. And today we have made it through a week of NaNoWriMo. This is so exciting, y'all. If you have been writing, if you've been keeping up with your word count every day, or just writing in general, it's time to celebrate. Today my focus though is on having fun and remembering to have fun. NaNoWriMo is a time to actually work on your novel in progress and to hopefully finish your novel in progress. But don't forget that the process should be fun. This whole month is about fun, right? Having fun while writing. So lean into that a little more. If you're feeling a little bit stressed, if you're feeling like, maybe it's the word count, doing the word count every day feels like a lot. Don't forget about the fun part. Remember that this is all fun. And at the end of the day, if you tried, that's all that really counts. All right. So I hope you're having fun. Let us know in the comments if you are. And also what project you're working on. I'd love to know. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on the next Motivational Minute. Bye.